Next is the SEO basic page. And this is really important when it comes to pages where you present your offer and which should be shown on Google. Here for the about page, it's not too important because we don't really want our about page on Google. However, for every page, we should make sure that it looks nice on Google. This is the about title here. So here you have the title tag, and let's say about Julian tutorials, and I can put in the URL here, julian-tutorials.com. And then of course you need a description. For example, I just put in, I help people to build their own website from scratch. In my YouTube tutorials, I compare the most popular website builder in the world. And so this is how it will be displayed on Google. You have the meta title and you have the meta description, and you also have an URL here, and we don't want to have it like an about -1. So let's keep it at about us. And you can always go to this page, so you can click on it. And since we haven't published the page yet, it's not visible, but we will do that in a second. And one really important last thing we have to do, we go to the social share tab here. And this is how it will be displayed when you share it on LinkedIn or on Facebook or WhatsApp. You have like a small preview picture. And one really cool trick is to just make a screenshot of the homepage and then upload this one. But for now, for the About Us page, I will choose the team picture here, which I used before. So now we have this one in the About Us page, and then we can jump to the About Us page. Now we just want to make this page our own. So you would change the text here and the paragraph.